It is a lovely company to work for. I mean, as a company itself, I suppose it's here since 1974, and it's going through its second generation now, and the owners and the management here are really, really nice.
I was working on the floor, working in the wire room. I was there for about 16 years, and then I got an opportunity to move into the inspection room as an inspector. The length of time I'm with the company, I'm still learning every day. When you know what the end product is, it's very fulfilling, because when you get to see the actual part being finished, and you know, in particular when you're dealing with the customers and you know where that's going to be used, it's lovely to be able to see and understand where that product ends up.
I'm Brazilian, so I came for a different culture. I didn't know what to expect when I arrived in Ireland, but I was very well welcomed. I can see the improvement in my career, and because the company always support me to try something new always. I have an opportunity to having training abroad, so I went to Switzerland twice to be training on that area. So it was a really good moment in my career.
The culture is very much a precision and quality focused kind of culture. Because while we're making medical device components there, it's very serious business. It has to be done right. It's a great company to be working in, particularly if you're looking to kind of learn and progress and gain experience. The amount of technology that we have at the moment that we're working with is phenomenal. Like, it's all the newest kind of machines and technologies available. So, and the range of technologies that we work with is so vast that you can really get a lot of experience.
I came into Smithstown in 2018. I come in every morning smiling, and I go home every day smiling. I've never been happier in a company, and I've worked in a lot of places.
You know, if one wants to progress, there's opportunities to go to college, and the company would look after that as well.
If you're considering to come to a Smithstown light engineer, you can expect a very warm welcome and also great opportunities for your career.